Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking a simple and delicious chicken rice vermicelli stir fry. Many people also call rice vermicelli as rice noodles or mai fan in Cantonese. This is a stir fry version and it will suit people at all ages. Okay, let's start cooking now. 150 gram dried rice vermicelli. Soak the rice vermicelli with tap water first, and then we start preparing other ingredients. 200 gram chicken meat. I used the chicken breast. You can also use chicken thigh. Cut against the meat grain. As you can see, I slice diagonally because by doing this way, each slice will be thinner and bigger, so it will look and taste better after cooking. Marinate the chicken meat with 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, some white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix all the seasonings with the chicken meat well, and then give the meat a good massage for about 2 minutes. And then put 1 teaspoon oil in. Mix well with the meat again. Finally, put in 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix well again with the meat, and then put aside waiting for cooking. 2 shiitake mushroom, slice it. I used the fresh shiitake mushroom. You can also use dried shiitake mushroom. Half an onion, slice it first, and then separate the layers. I also want some greens in this recipe, therefore I used 1 piece of pork choy. You can use other green vegetables instead if you don't want to use pork choy. Cut away the bottom of the pork choy. Wash clean under the tap water, and then cut them to bite sizes. 4 slices of carrot, cut to long strips. I use carrot to enhance the color only. If you like to eat carrot, you can add more carrot in. Finally, 1 tablespoon garlic mince, or 4 cloves of garlic and mince it. We also need to prepare a noodle sauce before cooking. Half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon onion powder, some white pepper powder, 3 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 30 ml water, and 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Mix all the seasoning well, and then put aside waiting for cooking. Now we go back to the rice vermicelli. Drain the water, put 1 teaspoon oil and 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce to the rice vermicelli. Mix the oil and dark soy sauce with the rice vermicelli, and then put aside waiting for cooking. Now we start cooking. Heat up the pan and put half tablespoon oil to the hot pan. Put the shiitake mushroom in and pan fry until the fragrance is slightly released, and then put the pork choy in. Toast for a few times, and then put the carrot and onion in. Put 1/4 teaspoon salt in, and then toast everything for about 1 minute, and then transfer to a plate. Put the pan back to the stove. Put another half tablespoon oil in. Put the chicken meat in. Slightly pan fry both sides. To make sure the chicken meat is fully cooked, after pan frying both sides, I put in 30 ml water. Put the lid on and cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid, give the chicken meat a few toasts, and then put the garlic mince in. Few more toasts, and then put the veggies in. Give everything a few good stirs, and then transfer them to the plate again. Put the pan back to the stove, put the rice vermicelli and the sauce in. Remember to give the sauce a good stir before pouring down to the rice noodles, and additional 30 ml water to the rice vermicelli. Gently toast the rice vermicelli until all the sauce is absorbed by the rice vermicelli. When the sauce is all absorbed by the rice vermicelli, check the texture of the vermicelli. If it is still too hard for you, add a little bit more water to cook the rice vermicelli for a little bit longer time to soften it to your preference. Finally, put the veggie and the chicken meat in. Gently mix the chicken and veggie well with the rice vermicelli. And then do a final tasting. Adjust the savory level to suit your preference by adding more salt. It is alright for me this time, so I didn't add additional salt to it. Now this chicken rice vermicelli stir fry is done. This dish features delicate rice vermicelli noodles, stir-fried with juicy, seasoned chicken, and crisp vegetables. Everything is coated in a fragrant blend of soy sauce, garlic, and sesame, creating a light yet satisfying meal with layered flavors and a comforting aroma. I hope you will give this recipe a try. If you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!